sorry that I have been absent from YouTube and social media for a while. My family's going through a really hard time right now, so my presence on social media is going to be limited for a while. But I promised you guys this video, and I wanted to go ahead and get it up. Don't mind my messy kitchen. I'm in the process of cleaning it. Yes, I'm in my pajamas, but I just wanted to get this video done. So, here we go. What we're going to do today is I'm going to show you guys what my refrigerator, my freezer, my pantry looks like when it's empty and before I go grocery shopping. And I'm showing you real life. I didn't organize this beforehand. I'm not doing anything to change it. Yes, there's a garbage bag. Yes, I'm cleaning. So, here we go. And it's not cute, guys. I'm just warning you. And then I'm going to do a video after I go grocery shopping, showing you guys what I bought. My refrigerator organized, my pantry organized, everything put away nicely. For this, are you ready? Here we go. Okay, let's start with the top shelf. We've got some milk, 2 jugs of milk, a thing of butter, which normally does not go here. It goes on my middle shelf. Almond milk is back here. Shoot, knocking stuff over. My husband's really known for putting cups in here. What reason, I have no idea. My husband eats this stuff. Half and half. Butter. Kool-Aid. A jug of Kool-Aid there. Some jelly. And then I have these jars of spaghetti sauce back here, which I'm going to throw away today. Because I keep thinking, oh, I can use those, combine them, and then I won't have to buy spaghetti sauce. And I never do that. We have a Jungle Jim's here, and my husband wanted to try this. I don't think he liked it because he never drank it, so. I'm a big fan of Miracle Whip. I'm the only one who likes it, but it's good. This needs to go. I never fixed that. Chicken broth, and that is everything on my top shelf. Let's go down to the middle shelf. Some Pedialyte sour cream, that's probably needs to be gone. Mustard, Pia. Olives, my husband eats those, not me. Some prune juice for Pia. Leftover White Castles from last night. Hummus. We love hummus here. And then 2 packs of wraps, which would normally be gone because my husband eats those up. But, like I said, it's been a hard week. Alright, let's go to the door. This is where all the lunch meat is. Biscuits, croissant rolls, cheese, all that good stuff. Kind of just packed in there real good. More olives from my husband. We'll put that there. Here is, ooh, pickles are in here. This blue thing is normally a snack container for my kids. And I just put all their snacks in there. And then they can come in here and get it, and I don't have to deal with that. Where I keep my bell peppers. Where I keep fruit. I know, this all needs to be cleaned. And that kind of makes up for what's in there. Let's turn here to the drawer. I keep all my cheese in here. Any like ketchup packets, sauce packets. In here. Oh Lord. Lemon, lime juice, some packets of something. relish, garlic, onions stuffed in there. Probably needs to go. Lemon juice, honey mustard, soy sauce, or is that Worcester? I can't say it. Yeah. More cheese, which needs to go in there. Cream cheese. This is a container of pickles, A1 sauce, red wine sauce, Parmesan cheese, flour, creamer, some hot sauce, and soy. And down here I keep my flour, cornstarch if I have baking soda. I'm not sure what this is. Lemon juice. And this is stuff of my husband's. Cranberry juice. And then aloe for in the summer. That's my refrigerator for going grocery shopping. Pia! Take a little break and show Miss Pia. You have to take a little break and show Miss Pia. Did you drop something? Oh, you dropped it. You dropped it. Oh, you dropped this. Yeah. Can you blow kisses? Blow kisses. Wait, bye. Wait, bye. That was my refrigerator. Yes, I know. It's a mess right now, but we're going to move on to the freezer if Pia works with us. You want a cracker, Mama? It's pretty bare. Ice, that is almost gone. Garlic bread. And Kirsten's soccer water bottle. Ice tray that we don't really use. That probably needs to be thrown out. A bag of chicken, leftover hamburger meat. I was using this to stab my ice with. Ham, frozen ham, fries, some frozen shrimp back there. Sorry, I'm not looking at my camera, and I realize I'm not up there. Okay, frozen shrimp, that needs to go. Some more smoothie mix, sausage, frozen bacon, frozen ham, and then stuff for fajitas. Over here, I normally keep my cold frozen cups here, and the kids I keep up here. What, babe? More frozen bacon, frozen veggies, leftover grilled cheese, and some type of alcohol that's been up there forever. And that's my freezer. For the final thing, we're gonna look at my pantry. It is a mess in here because when it gets empty, we just kind of ravage through it, grab what we need, and we just, it's a mess. So this is real life, guys. This is what it looks like, and I will organize that when I come back from the grocery. See? Told you guys. It is a mess. Alright, let's start from the very top. Peanut butter up there. I have to keep it up high because Paxton will sneak in here and eat the whole jar. Some marshmallow stuff. And I keep like my aluminum foil, my bags, my parchment paper, all this right up here. This back here is some cereal that's been up here forever. We don't eat it, and I can't find anybody to take it. Confectioner's sugar, syrup, and back here is normally my brown sugar, but I think where I'm out. No, it's down here. Lunchbox, some Christmas thing I was storing up here for whatever reason, and then I kind of keep my baking stuff over here. Baking cups, my oil, chocolate sprinkles, that kind of stuff. Icing will go up there. So down here I have my brown sugar, Jell-O, buns that probably need to be thrown out, some of these packets, Kool-Aid, blueberry muffin stuff, mashed potatoes, macaronis, cornbread, rice, and oatmeal is all back there, and my pasta, and cocoa powder. Mashed potatoes and rice are right here. There's nothing back behind there, if you can see. Sugar, tuna, cheese, barbecue sauce, and I keep my vegetables, corn, soups, all that stuff right over here. Down here is a mess. I got more sugar, more mayonnaise. I just realized I had more mayonnaise. Fruits, corn, garlic, some of this supplement stuff for Pia that she won't take. Dill pickles. Pearson eats these for breakfast. So, chips, popcorn, aluminum foil, a bag of napkins and plastic silverware. I have some potatoes in here. Rolls, my crock pot, and then back here I store some of my pots and pans just because I don't really have much space for that. And that kind of concludes what my pantry looks like before going to the grocery store. Yes, I understand it's a mess right now, but that's real life and what it looks like before going to the grocery store. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you next time with how it looks like after going to the grocery store. Thanks for watching, guys, and I'll see you next time. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe. It helps me a ton.